Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about Edsel counter reviews of United States. Is Edsel counter is legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will show you the way to get your money back. Now let's talk about this website. So Adzil Counter is an online store that provides many products like hair products, garden items, kitchen items, and electronics. They have also given so many categories available here like bath, garden, kitchen, utility and all. But when you will check this category, you will found nothing in this category. So over this website you can see that they are offering this type of products with their pricing, and currently there are no discounts running on these products. If I'll talk about the payment methods, let me scroll down. So as you can see here, the lots of payment methods are available: Amazon Pay, American Express, Apple Pay, Discover, Mastercard, Masterpass, PayPal, Visa, and Visa checkout. And if I'll talk about the shipping timing here, they have given the section for shipping. Let's go there. So you can see here the standard shipping takes 5 to 7 business days and priority shipping takes 2 to 3 business days. So this was all about the shipping timing. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So first thing here is this website is HTTPS deployed, like you can see here. HTTPS means this website is safe to use, and this website is registered on 10th December 2008 with the another big domain name my big commerce. This is the domain name. And let's see the about us section which is given here. So here all the details about the company is given, but you can see there is no year of starting and no business owner name, and about the brand collection they have not mentioned here. Price and payment methods I have already told you. Now let's see the contact us section which is given here. Let's go there. So here they have provided the contact address, email address, and as well as the contact phone number. The email address is contains domain info@edselcounter.mybigcommerce.com. But when you copy this physical address which is given here into the Google, so you'll find nothing. This address is not correct address of this Edsel counter. And if I'll talk about the social media presence, there are no social media presence active on this website. And the return and refund policy, let's check that return policy. So over this section they have given the information about return policy, like 30 days return policy is given here. And let's check for the refund policy. So it is 5 business days. And please comment your experience in refund or return of the product. Talking about the customer reviews, this is old website, though there is no customer reviews available. Not much customer reviews available on the Google and other platforms. But from some articles I found out some negative reviews about this website. And if I'll talk about the website content quality, so like content detailing, spelling errors, product specification and all. So there are fake images, duplicate images are present, and the product specification also. Okay, so on the basis of these checkpoints, I found this website suspicious because there are no customer reviews and about the this address, contact address, and no social media presence as well. So please friends, do your own research before investing your money on this website. And please share your experience. Do comment about this website. And you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.